Hair transplant alone will make you appear like you have more hair. The truth is, transplants only move your existing follicles from the back of your hair up front. They temporarily solve the problem of your appearance, but they don't stop or even slow down hair loss. And if you don't treat hair loss on a cellular level, the rest of your hair follicles can keep falling out. And it's just a matter of time before your hair starts thinning and you can see your scalp again. Our full spectrum restoration package works on a cellular level to ensure your hair follicles thrive. Hair transplant is definitely a huge step forward. Without our full spectrum restoration package, you risk taking several steps back. If you want full, vibrant look that lasts and you're serious about long-term transformation, choose the full spectrum restoration package and see the difference for yourself. Click below to learn more.